Hello guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be, bonjour, but that's French for hello. Today we're going to be making you let me read this, sprinkle cookies. And tell your, from the video called Everything's Better with Sprinkles. And tell your mom to heat, your mom or dad to heat the oven to 350. Then you go down low and dump the sprinkle bowls. One bowl is this little bowl. There. Next we add some cake mix. We add all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you add all of this. Yeah, just like it out.
So
slowly you add it. I just put it all in sometimes because that's what you're supposed to do. Wow. It's not coming out. And next, we take the egg. So I put it here. I put it in the little bowl. I didn't even know that was going to hatch. That's funny. I have to know. Hold on. I'm getting a paper towel for my mom. Okay, I got the, what is it? Oil. You put 2 eggs in oil. 1 cup of oil.
3/4 cup.
3/4 cup. Just mix it. You mix the stuff together. I'm going to mix a lot. Then I have to mash up these eggs. I'm mixing up this so good. You gotta keep on mixing. Got stuff on the table, but that's fine. That's all part of cooking. It's getting messy. Then you stir this up. Now when you're finished mixing, I usually like to do something with it, but you have to get your pan and put the foil on. What is it called?
Parchment paper.
Parchment paper. So you don't want to mess it up. Then you get your ice cream scooper, and then you scoop the stuff out. You've got to make sure all of them are the right size, so make your mom help. Ask your mom to help. If she says no, you can't. You will have to wait for her. Yeah. Okay, now let's do this. Now I'm going to do another one. This is how I did it. And go round. Let's put this afar because I have to spread. Right? After you make them, but you have to have 2 because you're going to layer them. So make sure they're even numbers. Because you have to put 2 on, you put icing in the middle later after they cool off. So you have to do like 2. You gotta make sure there's like 2 here, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. Make 12. That's what you should do to make them even. That's what we're doing. And next, you tell your mom to put them in the oven for, okay, I can't say it, but 350 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. And now they're into the oven they go. Okay, when the cookies come out, you let them cool. Make sure you have your plate of sprinkles ready right here. I mixed them, because that's what you're supposed to do. And then you flip one of these over. The other one stays put like this, the brown side. And then you take the frosting icing, and I hold it from down here. And push. Hold on. Wait 1 second. Yeah. Whoa. I love icing. Now, where's the spoon? Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Where's my spoons? I'm trying to find the spoon. Aha, here it is. So then I like to take a spoon and spread some of the icing on here. Make it look so pretty. And then you just spread it around. Okay, so you put the icing on, then you smash together a cookie. The other part of the cookie on. The other part I just showed you. Then boom, you have cookie. Oh no, I can't lift that up. Now I'm gonna eat that. One fell off is crunch. Good. Okay, now let's do some more. Let me just finish my icing. There we go. Okay, I'm finished. Yeah. Gets on me all the time. Oops, we gotta flip one on. Got flipping it over. And we gotta squeeze it. Well, let me squeeze this out of the way. After all, you don't have to spread it because when you push it down, it will be okay. Let's go back to the first one we made. It's right here, and let's roll it in the sprinkles. I want to make this lot sprinkly. Yeah. The sprinkles are always the best. Ta-da! You got a cookie. Set that one over there. Next one, we have to roll a cookie. Then we gotta move on and do some more because we're out of this stuff. We're making 6 cookies. I think 7. And next, we're gonna roll the next one in sprinkles while my mom is doing all the other ones. The other cookies are left. We were making 6. I was right. It must have put lots of sprinkles to make it good. Here it is. Let's keep continuing. Mommy's on my last cookie, but I still have 2 more. Counting the one she's doing, I still counting that one. I have 2. And that's it. And then I want to sprinkle some of this on top because it's just like so romantic. Yeah, so special. If you have princess ones, you can finish them off with. You can put it in the sprinkles before you roll them. Before you put it in there, you can add the final touch if you want to your stuff. Oops, last cookie. Yeah. Dummy. Last round cookie. And now because I still have some left over, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some on there after I roll it. Rolly, 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 rolly. Down. Now, I am just going to take a spoon. Well, this one, all this stuff. Ew. But you can touch it, I'm done. Hey, hold on. Let's get my paper towel. There. So bad. There they are. Mommy, show them the cookies. I want to see some ice. Can I at least fix the spatula? Finished. Done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.